So today we're getting rid of confidential information, and we have a crosscut shredder, but we let this stuff kind of stack up for a while, so there's about 6 months to a year's worth in here. So what I'm trying today, and I don't think this is anything new, I've seen other people do it on the internet, but I was going to do a short video on it, is I put it all in a bin like this, and I caught rainwater, and I poured it in here and let it soak for 24 hours. And now I'm going to take my mud bit that I use when I'm mixing paint and or drywall mud on my drill and try to stir this up and see if that will destroy it. And then the final product or end product will be, I'm going to let this dry out and then probably dump it out and work it into my one of my compost bins. So we'll see how it goes. More plastic. But for anything paper though, I think you're good. Just let it soak in water for a little while. Make sure you've got plenty of water. You know, don't do so much at a time maybe so it doesn't slop out on the ground and everything, but I think you get the idea. So this is the finished sludge product, and I've dumped it out on the ground and spread it out and gotten a few pieces of plastic out that were in there that I didn't realize were in there, like right there. But otherwise, that's the remaining sludge, and I'm going to let it dry out somewhat and just start working it into my compost that I use. And I don't use this compost on my vegetable garden or anything like that, but I do use it to level low spots and things like that in my yard. So I'm a little bit leery of using any compost with this product in it because of all the ink and things like that that were on this paper, and I don't want it leaching into the, to the compost and getting into the vegetables that we eat, of course.